How to hide photos on Facebook. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel and let's get started. First thing first, let's go ahead and open up our Facebook application. Once done, you have to make sure that you are logged into your Facebook account. And now, in order to hide photos or the post on your Facebook, first thing first, you have to tap onto your profile on your top right-hand side. Once done, you will see a menu page. Tap onto your username. Then scroll all the way below. And if this is the specific post that you would like to hide, you have to tap on the three dot icon here. You will see Edit Privacy. Tap onto it, you will see various options. You have to toggle on this Only Me button, and only you and nobody will be able to see this post. Tap on Save. If you would like to do the same for other posts, simply tap on your photos. Tap on Photos again, and you will see all the photos or videos that you have uploaded under Uploads or Album. Repeat the same process. Tap onto the photo, tap on three dot icon, then tap on Edit Privacy and toggle it on to Only Me. Tap on to save lastly, and just like so, this is how you can do it. Thank you all for watching, and if it had helped you in any ways, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.